Do you understand the characteristics and uses of steel grill, steel grating cover, galvanized steel grating? How should I choose the right steel grating when buying? The steel grating has the characteristics of high strength, lightweight, simple installation, anti-corrosion and anti-rust, durability, beautiful appearance, no dirt, easy maintenance, ventilation, lighting, heat dissipation, and non-slip. It is widely used in platforms, stairs, walkways, trestles, ditch covers, manhole covers, factory construction, etc. in the fields of petrochemical industry, sewage treatment, ports and docks, electric power, building decoration, parking lots, municipal engineering, etc. Galvanized steel gratings are generally made of carbon steel, and the surface is hot-dipped galvanized to prevent rust and oxidation. The steel grating can also be made of stainless steel. The quality is better, and the corresponding price will be higher. When purchasing steel grids, they should be purchased according to application scenarios. According to different application scenarios, steel grids can be divided into different types such as platform steel grids, ditch covers, and stair-stepping boards. Before buying, you should understand what kind of products you need. You can explain the application scenarios with the steel grating manufacturer, and the manufacturer will produce the appropriate products and use and installation methods. Yinrong Group has a number of factories in China, with a superior geographical location and convenient transportation. It mainly produces all kinds of steel gratings, galvanized steel gratings and other products. The company has advanced machinery and equipment, has accumulated rich experience in the research and development and production of steel grating, and has rich engineering construction experience. That we adhere to integrity management, quality first, to create suitable use plans for customers, and to provide customers with satisfactory products and services, so that you can buy assured products at the most favorable prices and in a convenient way.